We have multiple hostiles approaching grid coordinates 4R. Running countermeasures sequence Alpha. Confirmation on neutralization. Targets are down. The hydraulic pressure on the Z-axis is stable. Yes, well within parameters. The rotation speed is holding steady. Excellent work. Run the next sequence.
We have a confirmed swarm, bearing 0900. Intercept status.
Launching countermeasures now. All units, scramble, scramble.
The shipment from Chennai is here.
Confirmed. We have space in Sector 4.
Status: engaged. Altitude 70,000 feet. Target evasive. Lock achieved. Intercept in.
Inside the factory, the armored frame for the new anti-drone vehicle takes shape, welded by these massive robotic arms.
Alert status red in Sector 4. I need eyes on those drones now.
Targeting solutions uploading. Stand by for engagement authorization.
Crane operator, hold position at 40 meters. We have a slight rotation on the load.
Power levels critical, 70% and rising.
Rerouting auxiliary power, hold steady. We have stabilization at 90%.
Acknowledged. Proceed with
The swarm is converging on Sector Gamma. We need authorization for countermeasures now.
I'm initiating Protocol 7. All units, engage the targets immediately.
Ensure the antenna array is fully secured before calibration.
Torque is correct on this one.
Warning. Multiple UAV threats detected.
Initiating launch sequence calibration. Rails extending to maximum telemetry. All systems reporting green. The drone is online.
Back it up slow. Watch the clearance on the right. Hold it there, secure the load.
We're exceeding tolerance levels on the X-band. I see it. The anomaly is stable. We have a green light to proceed.
Multiple inbound contacts. Launch countermeasures immediately. Vector 7 engagement requested.
How's the calibration holding up?
Stable. We have full power convergence on target.
Scanning complete. All systems nominal. Acknowledged. The defense grid is now fully operational.
Secure that pallet now. Roger that, almost tight.